Got a 98 DS80 in the shop. Maybe doing the tires, tubes, and see if we can get her to purr, do the carb. It's all nice and clean out of the ultrasonic tank. Ran it a few times. Got everything out, blew out the orifices. Here's our carb kit that we need right here. And pretty straightforward. On the needle jet, the stock one, or not stock, just the one that was in there. Who knows if this is stock or not. But it's on the second foot from the top. So that's holding it down lower into the seat. So I'm just going to put it in the middle, the new one. So what that's doing is raising it up out of the seat just a little bit, and out of the emulsion tube. So out of this carb kit they give you this valve with the tang up top that hangs on the note tab right there. But I was having a problem with it over the phone. Check this out. So when that flow valve is setting down, it's actually sitting on the retainer. That'll sit down far enough. Always do a fuel check before you hook up your fuel to your brand new carburetor. Sometimes not so nice. It's like a little water. Cloudy. Oh, that's starting to clear up now. Tuned. You know it's tuned right when you can start at first kick with no throttle.